Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, solved, can't resize width of the Start menu Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Personalization. Click Start. Turn off Use Start Full Screen. Click Start button. You can simply drag the move to resize the width of the Start menu. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.